Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can integrate money.com with Shopify. So if you go to money.com's integration section, here if you search for the supported apps, like I search for Shopify, you see that there isn't any integration available for Shopify yet, and that is because money.com does not support Shopify directly. So you cannot directly connect money.com with Shopify, but there are third-party tools that you can use. One of those tools is Zapier that I really recommend. First of all, the Zapier is a free tool. You get a free plan that you can use for forever, and Zapier is basically very easy to use. So go to your Zapier, press this create button, then press this Zaps button. It will open up this window. Here you will be able to create a basic automation or integration to connect money.com with Shopify. Alright guys, once the page is loaded, as you can see, there is an option for AI. You can tell AI what you want to automate and AI will create the automation for you, but this isn't accurate, so I recommend you go manually. So first of all, you have to press this trigger button. A trigger is anything that starts or initiates the automation. So press this trigger button. So press this trigger button and here you get the option to search for an app. So if you want to send data from Shopify to money.com, you have to select Shopify as trigger. Wherever if you want to send data from money.com to Shopify, then you would have to select money.com and trigger. I want to send data from Shopify to money.com. So in trigger, I search for Shopify and here I go, Shopify. By the way, keep in mind that Shopify is a premium app, so you would have to purchase a Zapier paid plan in order to create this automation. Now, there are a couple of actions that you can choose that will start this automation. For example, whenever a new order is in Shopify, it will trigger the automation, or whenever there is a new customer, it will trigger the automation. I'm gonna go with new order. So what it will do is whenever there is a new order into your Shopify store, it will automatically send some data that you select to money.com. Press continue. Here it will ask you to connect your Shopify account. You just press sign in and connect your account. Then you have to go to this action button. Click action and here search for money.com. And once you search for money.com, here you go. In the app and event, you have to select what should happen in money.com. So when a new order is created in Shopify, I want to create an item in money.com. So I select this option. I press continue and it will ask me to connect my money.com account. I press sign in, then I go to this test button and that's it. All you have to do after that is after you connect your money.com is publish this app by pressing publish button, and that's it. So this is a very simple way to use a third party app to basically connect Shopify with money.com. I hope this tutorial was helpful. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.